Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So today I'm gonna do a wearable makeup look, and this is a glam makeup look with a touch of color. So to start off, I'm gonna use Bright Drops by Drunk Elephant. I love this product, especially to use before my foundation. It kinda emphasizes the beauty of my foundation and the whole makeup look, but it cannot replace a moisturizer in my face, but of course emphasize the effect. Next, I'm gonna apply foundation, and today I'm gonna use a very light coverage. I absolutely love True Match foundation. This is a lightweight foundation, but you can see that it covers all the imperfection here in my face. And of course, a little bit of concealer to cover the imperfections here under the eye and to cover the dark circles as well. And today I'm gonna use my shade for concealer, not a highlighting shade. So I'm gonna apply just a small amount, and again with the same beauty blender I'm gonna diffuse it, and I'm gonna apply in the eyelids as well. So when I do my eyes, I don't need to apply eyeshadow base. The next step is to contour, and I'm gonna use Rare Beauty, and today I'm gonna apply just a small amount of products and not diffuse too much. So I'm gonna apply and diffuse just enough. I want to create a natural looking for the contour today, but at the same time I want to see where the product is. So I'm gonna blend, but not too much. Now I'm gonna apply blush, and I'm gonna use Rebel Red by Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna use a kabuki brush like this. This is by Too Faced, I think, and I'm gonna apply the product in the brush. So it looks natural when I blend, but here I apply too much product in the brush. So it doesn't matter because I can place it where I want it to be, and using a beauty blender I can diffuse all the product to make sure there's no harsh lines. And I absolutely love to use a lot of blush, as you guys can see here. The next step is to set the under eye area, so I'm gonna use translucent powder by Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna apply using a powder puff like this, a smaller powder puff, because I want to use just a small amount of product just in this area. And now to give me even more glow in this makeup look, I'm gonna use a highlighter by Rare Beauty. This is stunning, guys, and this shade, it doesn't work for me as a highlighter, so I love to use right on top of my blush like this. It gives me a amazing translucent effect. Moving on to the eyes, I used the beauty blender to remove any harsh lines in my concealer creasing. And now that is fine, I'm gonna use a cream shade just to set the base. Next, I'm gonna apply a light brown eyeshadow in a big fluffy brush to create the smoky eye. So I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow into my crease and the outer corners, and what is left in the brush, I'm gonna apply in the lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna use a gel liner by Melt Cosmetics, and I'm gonna create the eyeliner in my eyes. I'm gonna apply in the outer corners and a little bit in the lower lash line as well. And for this eyeliner today, I want to create a more red look. So I decided to mix a red lipstick in the formula to create my eyeliner, but this is the eyeliner that I used for this look, and I just mixed a little bit of liquid lipstick to achieve the color that I want for this look. So using a eyeliner brush, I'm gonna apply as well in the waterline. It don't need to be perfect because I'm gonna diffuse the eyeliner, so it doesn't matter. I just wanna place it where I want it to be, and using a short shader brush like this, I'm gonna just smoke it out. And the green contact lenses that I'm using today is Forest Green by Desio Eyes. I absolutely love the green contact lenses and the red smoky eyes. It looks amazing in the end. They are very comfortable, looks very natural, and there is many colors to choose. Have you ever used contact lenses for makeup? Tell me what is your favorite and how you like to match them. And now that I finished to blend the red eyeshadow base, the next step is to set. So I'm gonna use a red eyeshadow from the Warm Neutrals palette by Sigma Beauty, and I'm gonna apply using a angled brush like this. I'm gonna just set the eyeshadow, and next, just with what is left, I'm gonna diffuse it a little bit. And to really diffuse the color, I'm gonna go back with the same brown eyeshadow that I used before and a new brush, shader brush, and I'm gonna just use it to really diffuse the color without looking exaggerated. Because we are using red in the eyes, so to diffuse, I'm gonna use a light warm brown eyeshadow. It matches perfectly to diffuse a red eyeshadow. Next, using a clean fluffy brush, I'm gonna just make sure there is no harsh lines, and today I take a smaller blending brush. And I finish off the eyes with mascara and falsies. And for the lower lash line, I'm not gonna apply too much mascara because I wanna keep the focus in the red eyeshadow. Now moving on to the lips. I'm gonna use the same warm brown eyeshadow and the shader brush that I was using before to create the shade in my lips to give me the illusion of fuller lips. And to make everything looks natural, I'm gonna just use the beauty blender again with no more product, and I'm gonna take off the natural shade of my lips as well. Next, I'm gonna use a red lip contour, and I'm gonna apply just in the natural shape of the lips, and I'm gonna diffuse it a little bit using a short shader brush again. Next, I'm gonna apply just in the center of the lips the same eyeshadow base that I used for the eyes. It's just gonna create some illusion of fuller lips and at the same time create more dimension. For the center, I'm gonna apply a cool nude lipstick, and here in the contrast of the red lip liner that I applied before, the nude lipstick looks even greenish, but it's not. So don't worry, just apply a little bit and diffuse it. And to finish, I'm gonna apply a lip gloss on top. And this is how I conclude this makeup tutorial. Really hope that you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and comment down below what you think. And I see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye!